How do I know if my car seat is installed tightly enough? Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a child passenger safety technician, and let's talk about it. 3 basic principles here. Number 1, check only at the belt path where the seat belt or the latch belt goes through the car seat or base. Number 2 is use your non-dominant hand and the force of a firm handshake. So you're not using both hands and throwing your whole body weight into this. Force of a firm handshake at that belt path. And principle number 3 is that you're looking for less than 1 inch of movement when you check it that way. Let's take a look at what that looks like in real life. First up, we have that infant car seat base. Non-dominant hand at the belt path, less than 1 inch of movement side to side and front to back. Do not check for movement out here at the head of the base, only at that belt path. You may notice that the car seat wiggles a little bit within the base once the base is installed. That is totally normal, and most infant car seats will do that. Next up, we have a rear-facing convertible or all-in-one car seat. Checking out the belt path that goes under the child's feet. Non-dominant hand, firm handshake, less than 1 inch of movement, side to side and front to back. Do not grab it up by the head to check for movement. You will notice more wiggle up here at the top, and that is totally normal as long as you've got less than 1 inch of movement down here at the belt path. And last up, we've got a forward-facing harnessed car seat where the belt path runs behind the child's back. Non-dominant hand at the belt path, force of a firm handshake, less than 1 inch of movement side to side and front to back. Remember that we're not checking for movement down here at the foot of the seat, and we're not checking for movement up here at the head of the seat, only that belt path behind the child's back. So why do we only check at the belt path? Because that is where the car seat is most tightly coupled, most tightly connected to the vehicle seat. So check at that belt path with your non-dominant hand and the force of a firm handshake, not your entire body weight, and look for less than 1 inch of movement side to side and front to back. If you're having trouble, get help from a child passenger safety technician. You can comment on this video or go check out my other playlists like the installation examples playlist for more information on securely installing your car seats. Hope that information helps somebody out today.